close the all roads which three to protecting our house. We will close the road so that we will give the another road. What we have a talking about, so we can do that.
And we should be really careful about the corona issue. We have our...
I will advise, firstly, if you have your last day the corona report, then you can meet him. Otherwise, you can't meet him.
So,
you just prepare your head. Because tomorrow when I will give you money, then I will send to my contract to my grandfather. This has been done. This formatting, I trust, I don't worry, but I just send to my grandfather that it's been done and
then we can do this. We got the shake. We go to
Lahore. And last we will go to Karachi. From Karachi to Karachi.